Y'all, these some bell-bottom pants, okay? So you know it's definitely the vibes. It's giving you the vibes, spring vibes. So the next thing is this cute little brown dress, y'all. Fit me like a glove. Show off my shape that I've been working so hard for. So hard, okay? So of course I'll use the bronzer again because brown and brown. We gotta get the bronze in. But this time I will also use the shimmer, the summer shimmer, okay, because I have to shine, okay? You gotta have it on your skin, guys. We gotta shine and glow as much as possible. And of course I'll use the glow stick as well because I love a good highlight. You gotta highlight them cheekbones just so your smile could be a little bit brighter, just a little bit, okay? My next outfit that I have is of course another crop top with some high-waisted jeans, y'all. Gotta get the high-waisted, okay? Because they make you slim and they make your waist look tighter, okay? So with this, I will always use, like I said, my favorite combo. Black eyeliner with the mascara. It's my ultimate favorite. Right? And then I will trade it off with using a simple little lip. It's very simple. I need a nude lip. I'll use the lip conditioner just so I can have me a little gloss with a little eyeliner, well, a little lip liner to use. And of course, again, I'll be using a shimmer because I love to highlight my shoulders and I like my collarbone to be plucking, y'all. Y'all see it right now. It's looking all shimmery and stuff. And the last look, y'all see how clumsy I am? I'm clumsy, it's okay though, because I'm tall. Tall people are clumsy. And the last look that I have is my favorite, guys. My absolutely favorite because it's a cute little slim skirt that show off my little shape because I got little hips to me, okay? My hips do not lie, okay? And I have this cute little shirt that also shows my top as well. Well, it shows my shape as well. It shows my little waist, and of course it's crop top. So with this, we're going all dark. All dark. So again, I will continue to use this Ninja eyeliner, guys. This is the best eyeliner. Easy to apply. Dark as your soul. Love it. And of course, we're gonna use the mascara again because how can you not use mascara? Just how? I don't know. Y'all tell me. Okay, but this time I think I will use Mercury. You know, just to maybe give me a little eyeshadow or do a little inside of the corner of the eye. You know, do a little something different. And of course, again, I'm using my bronzer because I want my face to look just as skinny as my waist. Like, that's just period, guys, okay? And of course, we're gonna top it off with my shimmer. Just so my collarbone could pluck, so my boobs could look a little bit nicer. And that was my summer looks, guys. Aren't they nice?